Historic Craftsman with a story of its own. Let's hear it from the owners.
When we bought the house, we were looking at a very small house, and we had a child, and we knew we needed a little more room what this house was at. So we did a renovation off the back and added a lot of square footage.
About 1,500 square feet.
We've been in this house for 19 years, and it's been great, absolutely fabulous. Great neighborhood, great neighbors. We have a lot of great memories in this house. Lots of love was felt by our family in this house. We have so many memories of Christmas and baseball and all these great parties as our son was growing up. And now we're a little sad to leave, but we're moving on to our next adventure and hoping that a new family can come in and enjoy this place. One thing we love about this property is that you can come in the front off Madison, but the house goes all the way back to Golden Gate, and that's where you have the view, and people walk by, neighbors walk by with their dogs, and our dog says hi to their dog, and it's great. It's a very dog-friendly neighborhood, and we love that about it.
One of the things we love about this neighborhood is that it's so close to Park Boulevard and all the restaurants, and it's just a nice time to get out and go enjoy some family time or time with friends.